Welcome to the Coastal Craft Film channel. Today we are going to be unboxing this watercolor paint set. And we got it open here. Can you pull it out? So the box paint set, this is the contents of the paint set. 50 color solid watercolor paints. 10 sheets of watercolor paper, mixing palette, water brush pen, paintbrush, sponge, a drawing pencil, eraser, pencil sharpener, color mixing guide, and a gift box. Okay, Naomi, let's show them what's... I got 2 sets. So this is the watercolor paper. And then it's open. There you go, so it's really nice. It has this brush pen and it comes with a cover for the top, so when you're done you can put it there. I think you could put your mixing, you can mix your colors here. And it's really nice. It has all the things that you will need. There's a sponge, paintbrushes,
erasers, pencil sharpener, and pencil paintbrush, and sponge, erasers, and all the different kinds
and the box is really nice. It's like a teal color, and then you can mix the colors in the back. So that is our video for today. Hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next one.
Bye! Oh, I know you use those.
Okay, guys.